Mukesh Tyagi. Mukesh Tyagi, besides being a lawyer, is also an actor. Yeah. Wishes to respond to you, Anupam. Wishes to respond to you. One thing I'll say before Mukesh comes in, see, Anupam, we all come as good citizens into this debate. I believe we should not waste time discussing what is terrorism, what is pornography. Then we'll keep debating for the next 10 years. What is terrorism? What is pornography? Terrorism will happen. People will be exploited. Pornography industry will grow. Thousands of people will be exploited by the pornography industry, and we'll keep discussing the definition of pornography and terrorism. I just don't agree with this approach, but I'll let Mukesh respond. Mukesh Tyagi.
Arnab, one thing I like about your program is that you take up the topic and relentlessly take it to the logical end. That something brings the value and meaning to the whole process. Bollywood needs detox, complete detox. The way we have seen the onslaught against Bollywood in last few months, Sushant Singh case, drug case, and many other matters, there is a striking bipolarity and selectivism. When they want to talk about the national issue, they burn the midnight oil, and when it comes to the ground mess, they just maintain a deafening silence, which is very deplorable. It's a matter of a great shame to all of us as a fraternity of Mumbai. But the problem is that the problem is, Arnab, that most of these servers are located offshore and we have no jurisdiction. Secondly, the definition, like the consumption of pornography is permitted within the act, but however the production and transmission is not permitted within the act. So then again, high courts have intervened. They asked to scale down all the 857 adult pornographic sites, but Supreme Court undid that, and they said that only the child pornography should be banned. So now in China you cannot have the pornography at all. I think the censor board, like in film industry, we also need to have a very higher, stricter regulation. The way it is deteriorating, the moral and ethical display on even OTT platforms, they are displaying like no less than a soft porn. So I think the culture is now flourishing, and you know, India is the highest, third highest watching the pornography, and the data which is consumed on watching the pornography is almost 60 to 70%. So which is a huge revenue for all these providers. So there is a whole lot of a lobby and a nexus. We do not want this pornography to get eliminated. As a result, when we have seen the movies business is coming to grinding halt, every crowd is shifting to now OTT platform. It has become so lucrative. The porn business is lucrative worldwide. So people are, and you know, Raj Kundra's controversial, he wrote a book, How Not to Make Money. I think he has understood all the arts of making money. He is haunted by different controversies, and so you know, his hands are full of controversies. So you know, I think through your program, we need to detox, and this kind of pornography business should be coming to an end, and government should come with a heavy hand against all these people who are trying to flourish under this business. So like Kangana Ranaut, I thank Kangana Ranaut. That's it, all that glitter is not gold. So she is raising the voice, but most of the people across Bollywood are maintaining a very conspicuous silence, which is highly deplorable. And even they are saying with the, you know, with a very little defensive, some kind of morality involved into it. But let me tell you, it is not coming from the heart, and which is something very serious. No. This rot will continue. No, you will see to it. We will be back to this poem.
No, the point being today, what we cannot ignore, and I want to bring in Uday Shankar Pani on this, what we cannot ignore is the fact that minors, children, people from poor backgrounds, young women from economically weak backgrounds who may be coming to seek a career in acting, who may just be desperate for some opportunity, are exploited. You know, Mr. Pani, people want to get fashionable about pornography.